So at the front of the machine, underneath here on the Lexion, we have the stone trap and the prep trays behind this door. So to clean the stone trap out, pull the lever here, open it, and then hook it up there. Then, once we've cleaned out the stone trap itself, a good idea is to go into the prep trays here. So loosen off the 3 nuts on the front. Pull the flap open. Once it's open, we've got the prep trays. Pull the prep trays out, clean them off. When you clean them off, don't use anything sharp because it'll make them rougher and then the material will actually stick to it, not go to the back of the machine. Once they're clean, before you pop them back in, give the area a good clean down and then pop these back in. Once they're back in, don't forget to close the flap, put the nuts back on. Once the nuts are back on, close the prep tray.